I'll write it and we'll do it live.
From every family who never imagined.
Breaking news, a fresh act of madness.
Every time I think about
Homicide so far this year already up nearly 50% over last year.
A volley of gunshots in the night, carnage mounting inside, injured outside.
A mass shooting, and this time, gunfire aimed at elementary schools.
Today, that guns shouldn't be in schools.
A gun in the school to protect from potential grizzlies.
Two young men apparently dressed in long black trench coats.
America is just now coming to grips with what unfolded here.
Absolutely trying to strangle human competition, strangle our mission to
It's crazy what we're watching every day. It's absolutely crazy. He keeps repeating ridiculous throwaway lines that are not true at all. We are not fools for asking this question, and we demand to know the answer to this question. You owe this to the American people. Your supporters will support you either way. If your people were on the phone with her, what were they saying?
We seemingly tolerate the rising level of violence, ignore our common humanity. We calmly accept newspaper reports of civilian slaughter from far-off lands. We glorify killing on movie and television screens, and we call it entertainment.
I don't have to tell you things are bad. Everybody knows things are bad.
Everybody's out of work, scared of losing their job.
A dollar buys a nickel for it.
Banks are going bust. Shopkeepers keep a gun under the counter. Punks are running wild in the streets. There's nobody anywhere who seems to know what to do, and there's no end to it. We know the air is unfit to breathe. Our food is unfit to eat. Local newscaster tells you he had 15 homicides and 63 violent crimes. But if that's the way it's supposed to be, we know things are bad, worse than bad. They're crazy. It's like everything everywhere is going crazy, so we don't go out anymore. We sit in the house, and slowly the world we're living in is getting smaller, and all we say is, please, at least leave us alone in our living room. Let me have my toaster and my TV and my steel-belted radios, and I won't say anything. Just leave us alone. Well, I'm not doing it. I want you to get mad. Protest. I don't want you to ride. I don't want you to write to your congressman. I wouldn't know what to tell you to write. I don't know what to do about the depression and the inflation and the Russians and the strike in the street. All I know is that first, you've got to get mad. You've got to say, I'm a human being. God damn it. My life has value. I want you to get up now. I want all of you to get up out of your chairs. I want you to get up right now and go to the window, open it, and stick your head out and yell, I'm as mad as hell, and I'm not going to take this anymore! Then we'll figure out what to do about the depression and